everyone, this is Coach Julio. So many people these days have a foam roller, and if you're trying to order one from Amazon, good luck. But I'm pretty sure they're going to restock and you'll get one. So for those who do have this, I'm going to show you a couple of exercises that you may not have think of that you can use with the foam roller. Let's do some hips. Everyone likes to do hip presses. This is once again one of those exercises that can help stabilize your knee, and I would suggest doing before any lunges or squat. So a traditional bridge up will be on the floor. Now we have you elevated. The foam roller is going to want to roll out, so it's going to recruit it's going to be more core stability. The distance between the foam roller and your bum should be about 1 foot apart for now. If you feel your hamstring, that's usually your hamstrings. It's just your hamstring trying to do the work of your glutes, and that will get better with practice. So here's a bridge up. My knee, my hip, and my shoulder should be completely lined up. I'm not pressing down on my arms. You may say, hey, I want more challenge. Or actually, you shouldn't say you want more challenge. You just say, I need to add single legs bridge ups. I'll show the opposite side, almost touching the floor, and I'm up, 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 up. And then that's a glute extension. Boom. All right, I'm only going to do a few reps of this one. These are ugly. These are hamstring walkouts. My hips are up, and then I walk out. And then I walk it back. For any of these exercises where you don't want to feel it, is your lower back. And I go back, 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 back. You do that for about 10 to 12 reps, and your hamstrings will be singing, probably in a B minor.